I have a 2017 Camaro here, crushed right here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the bus, I'm
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Dodge Ram here. This one is getting 2 new doors, and then it has rocker panel damage. And I'm gonna start my repairs on this rocker panel, start working this metal out. All right, I went ahead and I hung the doors on this and got those adjusted out, got them fitting correctly. All my gaps look good, and you can see it's lining up with the rocker perfectly across the bottom. So it's coming along good. I am actually gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this down off the rack, and I'm gonna send this over to Eric to do the fill work on the rocker panel, and I'm gonna dive into my next one. I have a 2017 Camaro here. This one has quarter panel damage, crushed right here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start working the metal back into shape and get this one straightened out. So I went ahead and fit this rocker molding up just to make sure this line lines up and it fits correctly. Looks very nice, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop that back off. I gotta repair just the edge of it right here, and I'll get this one taped up and primed up.